Damn. It's
Two
over?
endings. Oh, risk blood.
Bro! We're just getting to the good part. Okay, is this a new ending?
Completely different style.
Okay.
Let's
experiment.
As you guys know, each episode is gonna have a new ending.
Chainsaw blood.
Oh, okay. No, this is Genji being kicked into the trash by Aki.
Loving this art style.
Wow, more
This
success.
song was good. It's
I'll
kind of
let
like
you
Genji's like
Hey.
homeless or like sleeping on the trash outside. And it cuts over
There
to
she is, power. So she's a fiend, I see. Makes me wonder what her personality was like when she was alive. Because, like Aki said, fiends are basically devils that take control of dead bodies, right? And then take up the personality. Their personality shows off in that particular human, since they're dead.
This dude looks so cool.
The devil's personality, that is.
I like how the lines aren't.
That I'm walking by, sir.
cup of tea.
Bro.
This looks kind of scary.
That's right. Genji's dream is to touch boobs, bro, I swear. Such a simple, yet weird dream. I like it.
Falling upside down.
This looks so good, man.
You know, I like this song a lot. It was very slow at the beginning, but
Oh, you can bend your
Damn.
This song gets
That's so rocky, bro.
I don't know who this is.
I think
The
they're
squad.
gonna be friends.
But I know that the other one is Powers.
Ah, I love the design of this, man. It looks so
I love
fantastic.
this art style.
Feel free to let me know.